Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to easy way access this wave shading option. This one. Basically, when we want to change our wave shading, we just need to click here, wireframe, this one render. So in this video, I will show you the quick way. The quick way to view this wave shading option, you just need to tap Z and hold and move your mouse. I repeat, click Z and move your mouse. You need to move your mouse when you tap Z. If you only tap Z and hold, the option not show. The You need to tap Z, click Z as you can see here, tap Z and move your mouse. Z, move your mouse. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.